Do aluminum stair railings leave you confused, not knowing where to start? What pieces go where? Do you get a bracket pack filled with various components, not knowing where they go or how they go together? Do you need to measure up and attach on the brackets for your stairs? Having to grab the sleeve bracket for the rails and connecting it on, and grabbing your two pieces and forcing them together, putting a screw in to hold it into place? It doesn't have to be that difficult though. Vista Railing System's aluminum railing system has a very simple stair application. Simply take your stair rail, install it into the pre-routed out hole, adjusting it to the angle of your stair, take the self-tapping screw provided through the side of the post to lock it into place. It's that simple. For more information about Vista Aluminum Railings and other railing systems, please visit us at vistarailings.com.